Miss Ryder, your 4th grade math teacher. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to use the tool to do your dream bedroom project. First thing you need to do is go over to the Google Classroom where you will see this project posted for you. Then you've just got to click the link to load in the tool. Got to give it a second. Once it loads in, you're going to see that bedroom's already selected for you. If it's not, you want to make sure you have that clicked. And then you're going to click this button over here to start a design from scratch. Now, I do want to create a new one since I've already been working on a few. And boom, it starts me off with a blank room. First thing you're going to want to make sure to do is go over here to your ruler and make sure that you have inches selected. You know it's selected if you see the black box around it. If you're not in inches, that's going to throw you off when it comes to your math. Now, I don't want you to mess with the furniture quite yet. Go ahead and click Customize Room. From here, you're going to get to look at the size of your bedroom. It's starting off by giving me a 14-foot by 15-foot bedroom. Well, I want to make it a little bigger, so I'm going to hover my mouse until I see that blue box, and I'm just going to pull it either direction that I want. I want to go a little bit more that way, and I think I want it a little bit more wide. So I'm going to find that blue dot and just pull. Now my room's a bit bigger. It's 18 feet by 22 feet. I think I'm liking that. So I'm done moving my walls. I like the size. Next thing I'm going to do is go over here to this paint can. This paint can is going to give me wall, floor, and ceiling options. I'm going to start with my wall. From here I can see that I can do a lot of different colors. I think I'm going to pick that dark green color. And if I don't like the colors of the walls, I can always go with tiles. So say maybe I want brick. I could do brick all over my walls. You can make it as customized to you as you want to be, but I do like that green. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out. Same with floors, I'm okay with the wood, but if I don't like the wood, I could do carpet, I could do stone, I could do tiles, anything. I'm going to look at different options for wood. I think I like that design a little more, so I'm going to click it, and then I can exit out of here, and I can click over here in my blank space and move around the room, make sure I like that color, I like the floors, I'm liking everything so far. Once I'm good, I'm going to go ahead and say done. And it's going to pop me back over here where I can start adding furniture. Now today I'm just going to show you how to add one piece of furniture, which is going to be your bed. You can pick whatever size of bed you want. Today I think I'm going to do a big old king bed. So it's going to take me down here, and I'm not going to be too picky. I'm going to say, oh, I like this first bed option. So I'm just going to drag it over there. Give it a second, it'll load in. I don't like where I dragged it, so I'm going to move it over wherever I want it in the room. I think in the corner for me. Now say I want it to be a different way, I'm going to click that rotate button, and it's going to give me the option just to hold that bed and rotate it. So there we are. Let's see, I want it maybe facing that way. Now I'm done with rotating it, I'm just going to drag it back in the corner there. Now, when I have that bed selected, I can go ahead and, let me see, go back to it. I'm going to pop it up, and it's going to say, hey, do you want a mattress to go with this? Probably. Again, I'm looking at my prices. Do I want an expensive mattress, or do I want one of these cheaper ones? I'm going to go with the cheaper one just to save my budget for some other things. And I'm done with that over there. So from here you can see how you can add furniture in. You can also add different things like a rug. So maybe I want to see what rug options I have. I think I'm liking that black and white one. Again, you just pull it over and drop. And then from there you can move it around. You can delete it if you don't like it. You can click rotate and you can start moving it around like that. Maybe I don't want it off center. There we go. And again, just move it where you want things. Maybe I want it under the bed a little bit. So there's tons of furniture options that you can play with over here. I just wanted to show you today how to add one item in, and from here you know how to add any item, because you're just going to go to the category that you want, find something that fits your personality, your price point, and drag it in over there. Now when you are done, you can exit everything and you can take a step back, make sure you like how your room fits. I'd walk in the door there. My bed would be all the way over here in the corner. You can get the feel for kind of how your room flows. Again, this is the IKEA creative tool, and it's what we will be using for our project. I hope you learned how to add furniture, adjust your walls, change your ceiling and floor and wall colors, all of that. Make it fun, make it yours. And of course, the day of the project, if you do have any questions, I will be there to help you. But I hope this gave you a nice idea of how to do things on your own from the start.